While the stock market is collapsing, Tesla stock looks surprisingly resilient, calmly stabilizing just below its key resistance line around 164. However, don't let this calmness fool you. Tesla is still trading around an inflection point, which will dictate its long-term trend. It all depends on how it will react from here, now that it has reached its main key points. Sooner or later, we will see more definition. So in this video, we'll study together the most important key points we should watch in Tesla stock from here on out. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our analysis over here. Now, Tesla is clearly dropping, okay? We are doing a bearish candlestick pattern below the support line. I'm so sorry, the resistance line around 164. However, today's candlestick pattern is not as dangerous, as problematic as the one seen on the S&P, for instance. Look at the S&P index. It is clearly crashing. The Nasdaq index is a little bit more bullish, but the Dow Jones is also crashing as well. So when we compare against the broad market, it feels like Tesla is just stabilizing in this area below the key resistance line around 164, which is again the most important resistance level on Tesla right now, because only by breaking this line, Tesla is going to resume the bullish sentiment. I'm so sorry, to reverse the bearish sentiment, it is going to finally turn bullish in the midterm, in the daily chart. So 164 is our main ceiling. This is the most important resistance level in Tesla stock. In the weekly chart, we see that the 164 line, which is this red line over here, is a very important and clear support level, which, by the way, last week we did a false breakout from it. We did a false breakout. We dropped way below this red line over here just to close above it again after doing a very impressive bullish reaction, leaving a huge shadow under the candlestick pattern over here, under the candlestick's body over here, doing a dragonfly doji candlestick pattern in the weekly chart. Therefore, we see a very important bullish reaction just above a very important support level. Right now, this week, we are struggling to break this line. It feels like the bulls are really trying, but they don't have strength for that. They lack momentum. And what's even more important is that the indices are not helping over here. As long as we see the S&P, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones all doing top signals over here under their own resistance levels, Tesla is not going to fly again. Tesla will just keep trading inside this limbo over here, or even it could even possibly drop to lower levels, retesting the 150s, the 154 over here. But as long as we don't see a meaningful bullish reaction on the indices, Tesla will just remain kind of boring inside this area between the 164 and the 154, which is a crystal clear support level for it. It was a previous support level on January 26 after it did this monster gap after earnings, and it feels like it is working as a support level again on April 26, on April 27. It did a very powerful bullish reaction, but we can't go up. We can't climb to higher levels because we have yet to break 164. Now, Nathan, what if we actually lose the 154? Then Tesla is going to fill this gap at 146, which is, well, many people are aiming at this gap. I can tell only by looking at the comments on my videos. You guys are really looking forward the 146 area over here. Okay, if we actually fill this gap, I think Tesla is going to find a very strong support level over here, because it is not only a gap area. It is not going to fill a gap. If we take a look at the weekly chart over here and use Fibonacci over here, looking at the weekly chart, we see that the 146 is the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement. Therefore, this is the last retracement to work with in the weekly chart, and it is an open gap after earnings in the daily chart. this is going to be the most important support level in Tesla. Only if we lose this support, then Tesla is going to actually resume the bearish sentiment. And okay, $100 is going to be our next support level. But as long as Tesla remains above these supports over here, it is not going to turn bearish again, all right? Because Tesla is in a bear trend. However, right now we are bouncing, but it is not going to continue the bearish sentiment as long as we stay above these support lines over here. Now, Nathan, what it takes for Tesla to actually reverse this bearish sentiment over here? Well, I'm gonna tell you guys, but first, remember to follow me on Instagram. Yes, I do have an Instagram account right now. I'm posting exclusive stuff over there. So if you're curious about how is the daily life of a normal random Brazilian guy, well, just take a look on my Instagram account. The link is in the description of this video. Now, well, what's the problem with Tesla right now? We have yet to break the 164. But if we do, in my humble opinion, we are going to fill this gap. We are going to close this gap around 177 over here, okay? And this point is a triple resistance line made by the gap, made by the 176, made by the 21 EMA. It is not going to be easy for Tesla to break this triple resistance level. So right now, I believe that Tesla could easily bounce to the 176, to the 177 if we break the 164. But this is going to be just a bounce, all right? It is not going to be a true, meaningful, bullish reversal structure. In order for us to see a bullish reversal structure, we got to see first higher highs, higher lows, right? And preferably breaking this triple resistance area in the daily chart. Only by breaking this area, I believe Tesla could finally fly to higher levels again. I will keep you guys updated every single day on Tesla stock in this channel. Therefore, if you are not my subscriber yet, consider subscribing to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights over here. If we see anything new, anything impressive, I will be the first one to let you know. So subscribe, click on the like button as well. I see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for your audience. Stay safe. Bye bye.